Hello everybody, and welcome to a new series I'm making. Lagging already. Let's see. So in this series, I've already started it, but basically what I'm going to be doing is making redstone contraptions and how to do it, and whatever you guys want, I will just you put it in the comments, and then I will basically just take it and, well, make it for you, show you how to do it. Sometimes I may not know, but anyway, today, oh yeah, and I bet you're wondering about all these ugly creatures. Yes, one of them is me, but, and some of the new things like these, well, we have a, new mod, and yeah, I can't get rid of it right now. So let's get started. Today we will be making a fireworks display. So what you're going to need is a dispenser, probably some, well, obviously some redstone and repeaters, but I would say that you want a normal button and some building blocks. Okay. So now you guys know how to make a kind of repeating circuit and stuff, but I have another one. Some of you guys might know this one, but some of you might know it where you put like a repeater here and a repeater there, and then put like redstone around it, but this one is a little bit different. It kind of has a longer circuit, and sorry about the lag, I don't know about that, so. And I would say that you want these repeaters to go all the way back. And then put 2 pieces of cobblestone on either corner. Well, you don't have to. This is just a fireworks display. And now what you want to do is you put your dispenser like this. Now originally you can only put dispensers like this, but now in the new update, lag, you can put your dispensers like this, so that they're up. Now what you want to do is put a piece of redstone up here. No. And you basically want to do that with every single one. And it doesn't matter what type of fireworks you have, or if you only have one firework. Of course, I wouldn't be making this if you only have one firework. Yeah. That didn't work, come on. Oop. It keeps making me click on the inside of it. No, I don't want to look inside of the dispenser. Come on. I'm using this new mouse, which is wireless, doesn't have a scrolling button, and yeah, no, don't want to use redstone. Now I'd say you probably want about 4. and set it back to about there. So that's 2 clicks. And I don't like this new mouse. 3 is gonna be alright. And you place your button on this. So now it will make an endless circuit. However, we don't want it to be endless right now. Come on. No! Oh my god. The only reason it's lagging is because the stupid mobs keep spawning in. Oh my god. Okay. We're done with the redstone. Now, you might be wondering, Paradoxy, how do I make a firework? If you don't know, you can look here. You'll need a crafting table. I'm only going to make 1 firework and, put them in there just to demonstrate. Come on. Okay. Now, you might already know that you can put 1 color of the firework in there. But what I figured out, and I'm probably going to sound really stupid right now, but I found out that you can actually put in multiple colors. So, yeah, I literally just figured that out a while ago. So I'm going to make a pretty nice looking one. 4 colors. Now, a lot of this stuff you don't need, but, you can put in like a diamond and glowstone dust for special added effects, but you don't need that. 4 pieces of gunpowder and a piece of paper. However, if you want to have different things, I could probably make a video on it if you really, really want me to. Just comment if you want me to about all the different like fireworks and stuff, but a fire charge will make a giant explosion. So anyway, what you do is you put a piece of gunpowder down, because that's going to be the base of this. And what you can do is you can put like orange dye in here, and it'll make an orange fire star that's a small ball. And if you put the fire charge in there, it will turn into a large ball. Now what I can do is add in more colors, and you'll see that every time I add in a color, it'll change. So now the more colors I add, the more colors it will have. Obviously. And now you don't have to, but the diamond adds what they call trail, and the glowstone dust adds a crackling kind of thing whenever it explodes. So there we go, there's our firework star. Now it doesn't matter where it is in the crafting table, but you need a firework star, a piece of paper, and at least 1 piece of gunpowder. However, the more pieces of gunpowder you add, up to 3, the higher it will go. So we're going to have 3. And now what we want to do is just keep doing this up to about 4 times. 1 stack for each dispenser. And just kind of put the fireworks inside here. And then once it's all rigged up, if you have cheats on, that's terrific. If not, you're going to have to wait until night. So, sucks for you. But so with cheats, in case you don't know the command already, /time, set 15,000, and that'll give you dark enough for night. And now I'm going to put it on runner distance normal. It's going to get really laggy here, but you'll be able to see. And I'm already losing my FPS. So here's what we have. All we want to do is press the button. Come on, explode. Oh, there we go. Now look at that beautiful explosion we have here. And you can do this with anything you want. Arrows, if you want to have like a death contest, I don't know. And now you'll hear the crackling and explosions and stuff because I'm lagging a lot. So, yeah. That's how you make, basically, a fireworks display. Or you can even have it rigged up to shoot fire charges. Do whatever you want with it. I'm Paradoxy. Leave a like and comment below. Comment what you want for the next video, or next couple of videos, I guess. And yeah, this series is just kind of getting started now. So, hope you liked it. Goodbye.